Guys, this is the project we're about to start. We're about to kick off the blinding of the project. So this is for the upstairs, this is for the blinding, and we're going to do like this. We have about 28 column base. This is a column base, and this will do for all the column base for this project. So afterwards, we'll not start the layout, and then we'll proceed with the setting out of this.
Hello viewers, thank you for watching. There is something I want to explain to you, especially to our clients, regardless wherever you are watching. But I think it is our time that you get to understand that for every structure, there are majorly three types of load that every structure you see carries. There are four, so that you get to understand the reason why. Sometimes we get to tell you the strength of the material that you use for the project. For instance, for every building, especially residential structures or commercial structures that you see, there are what we call dead load, there are what we call live load, there are what we call superimposed load. The fourth load is what we call the wind load, that is an external force. But there are definitely what we call the internal force. The dead load is the load that the building on its own, with the material that forms the framework of that structure, is carrying. And this is one of the criteria that make us choose some of the materials that we choose and tell you for this particular column or beam, use a certain kind of rod or rebars, as we call them, or for a certain kind of beam, use so and so rebars. So, first of all, I'm going to be talking about the column base. For every structure you see that have another structure at the top of it, usually you call them upstairs, but as far as there is a first floor on the structure, it is advisable that you have what we call a column base. And what does the column base do? A column base helps your structure column to sit properly and then transfer all the load, whether dead load, live load, superimposed load, it transfers all the load to the soil. And so for this video, we are done with the excavation of the trenches, and so we have to do what we call a column base. The column base is, for this, we have 600 square, and the foundation depth is usually determined by the site engineer. But today, that happens to be the site engineer for this project, so I determine the depth of this column base. And then, when that is done, what we usually do again is to now cast the column base. We cast it with concrete, and so when we are done casting it, we now have what we call the column basket. This is a typical example of a column basket. When we are done with the casting of the surface, we usually put this at the top of the basket. And so, when we put this, for all the columns that will be emerging from the structure, we have a base. And this base can be, usually some do it like this, or I've seen a case where the project engineer had to do it like this. I've also seen a place where this basket were married as two. So they had one facing the top and the other was facing the bottom like this. But in this case, we are using just one because it's just the first floor that we're expecting for this project. And so by tomorrow, we're going to be putting it like this. And when we put it like this, the color that's going to be emerging from the structure will be attached to this particular basket before it is casted. And so we cast everything. One of the reasons why we do this is so that all the strength from the structure, like I mentioned earlier, the live load, the dead load, the superimposed load, all of them can have a base where they will be transferred down. So I hope you enjoyed this video. In case you have any questions, you can do it to drop it in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates like this. See you in our next video.